Hi guys, and welcome back to this tutorial on bad. First of all, I would like to thank you all for all your emails and your positive feedback I got on the streets, where the streets have no name. I really appreciate that. I am also very sorry that I didn't post any settings for YouTube in quite some time, but let's make up for that with this tutorial on bad. So if we start off with a new project and click electric guitar and choose, let's call this bad and create. I changed the setup a little bit since the streets tutorial. This should be a lot easier to set up, and it sounds just as good in my opinion. The first thing is the amplifier. Choose the English combo, which is very close to the AC30 that Edge uses. Click edit and get rid of the delay pedal, because this pedal is not very good in my opinion. We will use the UI delay from Master Track as we did on Streets. Instead you want to add the retro chorus. There you go. Click done and click sync and make sure it's on 1/4. Depth should be just about 65%. Double click the amplifier and just make sure that English combo is selected. That is basically everything you need to do here, except from the monitor. Of course it has to be on, or on with no feedback protection, sorry. If this is off, you won't be able to hear anything. Done. These are the settings for the amplifier. These are pretty good. You can tweak them a little bit if you like, but as default settings, these are pretty good. Okay, go to Master Track. As you can see, I have a lot of presets. What you need to do is just choose basic, default, and click edit. The echo and the reverb, don't tamper with that, it's all is good here. All you need to do is add the UI delay. So we're going to find this one in the list. There you go. And click here to get the settings for the UI delay. For bad, you want just around 430 milliseconds of delay. Let's see if I can get that, and just about 10% feedback. There you go. The dry wet mix is good, the low pass color frequency is good, so that's all you need to do here. Close it and activate the visual equalizer. Click it, and you want to boost the bass and the low mids just a little bit, not too much, just a tad. There you go, that should do it. That is basically what you need to do. You can click Save Master and call it something. I already have one called Bad, so I can't call it that. I'll just call it Bad 2. Click Save, and as you see, you have a master track called Bad. So all we need to do now is try it out and see how it works.
you.